Welcome to Tech Buddy YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use bitrue. Bitrue is a cryptocurrency wallet. It's perfect like Binance. You can easily use it. You can deposit, withdrawal, or you can do marketing, trading, etc. It's all simple and just like Binance. If you use already Binance, it's same like that. Now it's the review. Check it out in this full video. I will show all the review of this bit true. So these are the cryptos, all are mentioned here. You can see there USDT, and these are the cryptos. This is the market and how to trade. Here you can trade your crypto, sell and buy cryptocurrency from bitrue. Now asset. Now I don't have any asset, but I have just registered myself. I have verified my phone number, verified etc, all and everything. Deposit, for example, here you can choose deposit which coin you want to deposit. For example, USDT. I want to deposit USDT. Now this is the my deposit link. If I copy this and here the important send only USDT ERC to deposit address. Sending other cryptocurrency may lose. Yeah, this is the these are the network. Tron, BEP20. Which type of USDT you want to deposit from here? For example, Tron. I want to deposit Tron from other wallet to this wallet. So it's very simple. Now same it is withdrawal. How to track withdrawal? For example, calculate withdrawal. There is that address. How to withdraw my these crypto coins and transfer. You can transfer also your crypto to one wallet to other. Here you can see a spot like Binance and earn. Here you can click earn now. If you click earn now, power piggy. Now crypto investment. These are some details. My investment is 0 now. If I deal and invest, deal with for example join. This is the network. 2 Bitcoin. You can join. Please enter the Bitcoin to join. I can participate with the 2 Bitcoins, and this will be no lockup. 2.1 interest rate it will give, and committee cap, port Bitcoin, VIP cap. After that, minimum amount can join 0.01 Bitcoin. Oh, that is the example. For example, I want to join 0.01 Bitcoin. I can join here. It will hold my Bitcoin, and after that it will give me percent. It's very simple and nice wallet. You can use it like Binance. These are the future option. What you can see in future option: crypto market and buy, sell, all are mentioned here. My asset is now 0. It's very simple, very simple. You need to join it from a site, or you can download the application from Play Store. This is the overview. This is the home page. For example, click here home page. Now Bitcoin is $51,000 again went, and Ethereum is nice going up. Now power piggy earn 7.3 annual. If you invest any coin, you can annually earn 7.3%. Prior to voting, these are the get trade on Twitter, join Bitcoin Telegram group. You can join Telegram group. Now these are the coins gainer. For example, you want to buy any coin and all that, it will go up. Gainer, these coins goes up and people are in profit. These are the loser. People are in loss because they sell and buy these coins and all that, and these coins came down. Now dip, it's out dip. You can see the dip option. Deals, invest now. How much you want to invest here? You can also get profit from dipping. Very nice crypto wallet. This I suggest you to, after Binance, use it. It's a very good wallet. From now I have already used this. You can get it from Play Store and you can register from website, but it's very nice wallet. I hope it will help you, and please do subscribe this channel, click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any cryptocurrency information, earning information, etc. from this channel, Tech Buddy YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do share this video. Thank you.